In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit Shopify Sitemap to Google 1 minute. First, let's make sure your sitemap exists and is accessible. Open your Shopify admin in one tab so you're ready to make changes if needed. And in another browser tab, type your domain followed by sitemap.xml. For example, replace yourstore.com with your actual live domain so it looks like yourstore.com/sitemap.xml. If everything is set up correctly, you should see an XML page that lists links to your product, collection, blog, and page sitemaps. That's Shopify's automatically generated sitemap, and it's what Google will read to discover your content. If the page doesn't load or shows an error, double check that you typed the correct domain and that your storefront isn't blocked by a password or staging settings. The sitemap must be publicly accessible for Google to fetch it. Next, go to Google Search Console and select the property for your website. Make sure you pick the exact version of your site that users see, including the correct protocol and subdomain, such as HTTPS, and whether you use www or not. If your site appears more than once in the list, choosing the correct one ensures the sitemap is attached to the right property. On the left-hand menu, click Sitemaps. This opens a page with an Add a new sitemap field. You don't need to paste the full URL here. Google attaches whatever you type to the domain you selected. In the field, simply enter sitemap.xml. This is the standard Shopify sitemap endpoint, and it aggregates all the important sections of your store, so you don't have to submit multiple files. Click Submit. If the sitemap is reachable, you should see a confirmation and a status indicating that Google has received it. Sometimes Google shows success right away. Other times you might see couldn't fetch temporarily if the server was slow or your site had just gone live. If that happens, revisit your yourstore.com sitemap.xml page to confirm it loads quickly, then wait a bit and try submitting again. Once accepted, Google will begin processing and indexing the links it finds. You don't need to resubmit this every time you add products. Shopify updates the sitemap automatically. Only repeat this if your domain changes. That's it. Confirm your sitemap loads, select your site in Search Console, open Sitemaps, type sitemap.xml, and submit. This quick setup helps Google discover your Shopify store faster and keep your pages indexed over time.